Hi, and welcome back to my next clip. Basically what we've done, as I said previously, I tried to clean the fender, also the mudguard, and in my opinion it went pretty well. This is how it looks like now. More or less this is how it looked before, so it's not too bad. Some of the paint is in pretty good condition, but some of it disappeared whatsoever, so it doesn't look too bad here. I managed to clean the mudguard, also every single bolt. Can I make that somehow? Probably not. Okay, now it's better. Every single bolt also has been cleaned. That's what I used the brush for. Inside here, all of this was full of dirt. Now has been cleaned. It's much better in my opinion. So that's where we are now. And I have started to make my way up into the steering rack. Emptied it from all the jewelry, if I may say so. Here it is. So we have the clutch, we have the brakes, some of the strings, all of it needs to be cleaned. We also have a little bell that I will try to fix because it's not really working. We still have the original. Can we see it? Yeah, here we go. ZZR, which means it belongs to that motorcycle. It's not taken from anywhere. Yeah, that's where we are now. So, as I said, bit by bit, we're gonna try cleaning this beautiful bike. And then we'll see how we go from there. Probably the lamp. I'll definitely have a look inside, see if at least the bulb is still intact, clean all these metal bits, try to clean this steering rack as best as I can. Hopefully will be shining, and put it all together. So again, as I said before, I'm super duper happy with these fenders. It looks so much better now. The mudguard, I can't stop looking at that. I mean, compared to this, it's like almost impossible, but we're getting there. Now onto the steering rack.